So this is question number 24, taken from the January 2023 paper. It's paper 1, of course it's higher, and it's from the Edexcel IGCSE. So it's on vectors. So what we need to do here is we're given that OAED is a quadrilateral, and we're given these values. In OA is 2a, OB is 2b, and D is 7a plus 3b, AB is 2b, D is 1 is to 2. The point C on AB is such that OC is a straight line. Use a vector method to find the ratio of OC is to CE. So what we would need to do to start is to join OE. I don't know how I can draw the line that passes through C using the ruler. So I will try freehand drawing of that. That helps. So what I do is, so it's not quite passing through C, but that's because I'm drawing on the screen. So if I can just make it a bigger, so that's the C. Okay, so here what we have to do is to find the ratio of OC, so this bit, to C. So to start with, as is common with these questions, what we do is, so we assume that CE is a constant times OC. So suppose I can put here. So if I say, I'm writing on top here. So if I say, suppose that CE is equal to lambda times OC. So this is a vector. So vector C is equal to lambda times vector OC, or C is lambda times OC. And then I would also assume that CD, or vector CD, is equal to mu times AC. So then I can write for CE is equal to lambda times OC. CE I can write as OE minus OC. So CE is equal to, so instead of CE I can write OE minus OC, because these are all vectors. So that is equal to lambda times OC. So okay, so then I can write, OE, vector OE is equal to 1 plus lambda times OC. Okay, so this is an important bit to have. So I'll highlight this a bit. So then I go back to doing the same thing for CD is equal to mu times AC. So CD I can write as AD minus AC. So AD minus AC is equal to CD, and that is equal to mu times AC. So I can write AD is equal to 1 plus mu times AC. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight this again. So have it in our have it to refer to. So now I go back to the facts that we've been given, and I can start with writing OB plus BE is equal to OE. Now we don't know what BE is, so because OB is here, so OB plus BE is equal to OE, right? So if that's the case, then BE we need to find, and BE is equal to BD plus DE. So if I put in the arrows, so OB, and this is the direction of BE, and AC and BD, that would be the direction. So I would change the pen gun. So then I can write OB plus BE, that is equal to OE. So OB I know is 2B. So let me find BE first. So before that, maybe it will help if I find BE. So now I have been given OA and OB, and then I have been given this ratio AB is to BD is 1:2. So let me write what AB is. AB is OB minus OA. Okay, so that is equal to OB is 2B minus OA is 2A. So that's AB. And then AB is to BD. So AB over BD is 1/2. Therefore, BD is equal to twice of AB. Okay, so it's same as, writing it as a vector, it would be the same. So we can now find BD is twice of 2B minus 2A, that is 4B minus 4A. So that's BD. So I know what BD is. So I can write it here, 4B minus 4A. And OB I know it's given to us, it's 2B. And now I can work out what BE is. So hence I can work out what OE is. So OE is equal to OB plus BE. And that is equal to OB is given as 2B and plus BE. So BE is equal to BD plus DE. So this BE I can write, I didn't, so here BE is equal to BD plus DE. So that is equal to 4B minus 4A plus 7A plus 3B, and that is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3, so 3A plus 7, and that is B. So it's this bit. Okay, so BE I have now got, so 3A plus 7B. That's it. So we know B, we know BD, so now I can go on to working out what OE is. And OE is equal to OB, which is 2B, plus BE, which is 3A plus 7B. So OE is equal to 3A plus 9B. So once again, maybe different. So this one. So so now we know OE, which is this part, straight line. We know OE. We know OB. We know BE. We have to find OC. We still don't know what OC is. And now I think we can look to what AC is. We have said what AC is. So let's then do AD. Now we have got it. So we need to now find what is AD. Now we know what AB is. We know what BD is. So we need to find AD. So AD is equal to AB plus BD, and that is equal to AB. We know that I just wrote somebody 2B minus 2A plus BD. BD is 4B minus 4A. So that is equal to minus 4A minus 6A plus 6B, and that is AD. So okay, so we know OE, we know AD. So OE is this whole thing, we know AD, and now let's see how to work out the parts. So now we can do something that we have got. We can now write OA plus AC is equal to OC plus AC equals OC. Okay, so OA I know is 2A, AC I know because AC is so I've written AC is 1 out of 1 over 1 out of 1 plus mu, or 1 over 1 plus mu AD. So from here I can write, therefore AC is equal to 1 over 1 plus mu AD. And therefore OC is equal to 1 over 1 plus lambda times OE vector OE. Okay, we are all talking about vectors here. So I know what AD and OE are. So I can substitute this. So I know what AD is from here, and I know what OE is from here. So I will just substitute that. So I'm going to write so OA is twice of A. So twice of A plus AC is 1 over 1 plus mu times AD. So AD is minus 6A plus 6B. Okay, that's AC, and that is equal to OC. So OC again, I can say 1 over 1 plus lambda times OE. So I found out what OE is. So, so that's OE. So OE is 3A plus 9B. So then I can write, I need to write it now. 2A times this, so 1 plus mu times 2A. So it will be 2A plus 2 mu A minus 6A plus 6B over 1 plus mu. And that is equal to 3A plus 9B over 1 plus lambda. I'm going to simplify this. What I will get is bring the A's together and the B's together. So A and 2A, 6A is minus 4A. So minus 4A. Hope I get it correct. Oh, I have to do it all again. So 2A minus 4A plus 2 mu A plus 6B mu is equal to 3A over 1 plus lambda plus 9B over lambda. So I can get A, if I bring together, minus 4A plus 2, no, minus 4 I should write, minus 4 plus 2 mu A over 1 plus mu plus 6B over 1 plus mu. These are all vectors, so that is equal to 3A over 1 plus lambda plus 9B over 1 plus lambda. So now I am going to put together, equate the A part and the B part, okay? So if we equate the A part and the B part, equating, we are going to write minus 4 plus 2 mu over 1 plus mu is equal to 3 over 1 plus lambda. Okay, so that would imply uh, 1 plus lambda over 1 plus mu is equal to 3 over minus 4 plus 2 mu. So let it go correct. And equating, so I leave it here. So equating the the other part, which is the B part. The B part is here and here. So I get 6B also, so I can write here also 6 over 1 plus mu. So this I'll come back to this later. Is equal to 9 over 1 plus lambda. So therefore 1 plus lambda over 1 plus mu equals 9 over 6, and that equals 3 over 2. So we can replace it, here. So substituting, so I can say that substitute 3 over 2 is equal to 3 over minus 4 plus 2 mu. So I would get the 3's get cancelled out. So minus 4 plus 2 mu is equal to 2. 2 mu is equal to 6. Mu is 3. So if mu is 3, now I have to, does that give me what I'm looking for? It doesn't, because I have to find OC is to CE, and I have said OE is 1 plus lambda times OC. So I need to find lambda. So lambda I am going to find using, so we substitute mu is 3, and we will get here. So therefore I can write, so pen color, so 1 plus lambda over 1 plus mu, so that's 4, that equals 3 over minus 4 plus 2 times 3, that's 6. So that implies 1 plus lambda over 4 equals 3 over 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, and therefore that would imply 1 plus lambda equals 6, and therefore lambda equals 5. So once we know lambda equals 5, so I've used this part of paper to write. So we know that lambda equals 5 now. So now we have to work out OC. So OE OC and OE. So we now know, we can see what OE is. OE equals 1 plus 5 times OC. So OE equals 6 OC, right? But what do we need to find? OC to CE. So CE. So then I know OE, so I can now find CE. So CE, CE is equal to OC minus OE minus OC. That is equal to 6 times OC minus OC. That is 5 OC. So CE, OC is to CE. So this is the bit that we've been asked to find. So CE is 5 times OC. So therefore I can write So now we have to do the ratio. So OC is over CE, so is equal to 1 over 5, or OC or CE. That's the ratio between the two lengths. We have found using vectors is 1 over 5 or 1:5. So that's our answer. So we need to put it down. So this would be 1:5. That is this question. It's a bit big. Sometimes sure you can put it on